Hello and welcome to Saki Tech. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up FASTBOOT and ADB on your Mac for the purposes of unlocking and rooting your Android devices and much more. Now everyone has a Windows PC, so let's get the Mac users on board as well. Once you set up your FASTBOOT and ADB, you can now connect your Android device to your Mac and run all the same commands that you can run on your Windows PC. So let's set this up and then test it out to see if it works. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to Safari and download the Android SDK bundle for the Mac. Okay, and the website is right here. So it's developer.android.com/sdk/index.html. This is a big file, so once this zip file downloads, minimize this, go to your downloads, open this in Finder, and it's going to show up something like this. The ADT bundle Mac x86 blah blah blah. Right click on it, click open with, and do the archive utility, which is going to unzip or expand the files into a folder like this one. Okay, so once you have it expanded, I want you to copy and paste the two files that are in the folder, the Eclipse and SDK. So copy these files, or you can move them as well, but copy these two files, minimize this, and create a folder on your desktop and give it a name. I gave it the name Android Tools. Okay, so you can give it the name Android, you can give it the name FASTBOOT, whatever pleases you. So go in here, and inside this thing, let's change the view. Okay, so inside here, I want you to paste those two files that you extracted. Okay, so once you're here, go to SDK, go to Tools, and then click, double tap Android. Okay, and it's going to ask you to open this. By the way, sometimes if you don't have Java installed on your Mac, it's going to prompt you to install Java. You can go ahead and do that, no problem. After Java installation is complete, come back here, run Android, this file right here, and then when it says open, just click open. And then you're going to get this whole thing here. The two files that you want to download are Android SDK Tools and Android SDK Platform Tools. Once you have this ready, click Install Package, and you're going to get another window pop up. Click right here and accept the license, and then click Install. So at the bottom here, it says downloading the tools that you need. Going to take a couple seconds there. Okay, so just click OK to any kind of pop-ups. And then you can actually, when it says done loading packages, you can exit out of this, exit out of here, and exit out of here, just to keep it clean. Now go back into Android Tools, okay, go to SDK, this time go to Platform Tools, and then I want you to copy this and this file. So copy ADB. If you press and hold Command on your keyboard, you can press this at the same time, and then right click, copy two items, and then go back to the root of your Android Tools folder, this one right here, the one you created, and then right click and paste those two files. Now you're actually ready to go. What I want you to do next is I want you to connect your phone to your computer using a micro USB cable, but make sure you put your phone in FASTBOOT status so we can test to see if the connection works. So I already put my HTC One, that's my Android phone, to FASTBOOT status, and I have connected it to my computer using the micro USB cable. Then you want to do is you want to go to the Spotlight search up here. Spotlight search, type in terminal, and launch the terminal. This is the equivalent of the command prompt on Windows. From here, you want to type in ls. This lists all your folders that you can actually access. And then use the cd command to go to desktop. So now you're focused on the desktop. And then type in cd one more time, and in double quotation marks, type in Android Tools. The reason I'm using the double quotation marks is because there's a space in the file folder name. If your folder is only one word, you don't have to use the quotation marks. So anyway, cd command is going to change the focus to Android Tools. Type that. Now I'm focused in the Android Tools folder, which is right here. Okay? And from here, I can start running my actual FASTBOOT commands. Now with the Mac, you do have to type in the dot and the slash command before you type in any FASTBOOT or ADB commands. So let's do a FASTBOOT devices, and this command actually checks to see if there's a device connected to your computer and if it is active. So when you press enter, if you get a random number like this one and FASTBOOT next to it, that means your FASTBOOT is in fact working. So you're all set to go. So from here you can do things like ./FASTBOOT flash. This is flashing. If you want to flash an image to your device, you can use the flash command. You can use any command in FASTBOOT or ADB using this terminal. And when now you're following tutorials online, if they're using a Windows PC, you can do the same things on your Mac PC. On the Windows though, you don't have to type ./. On Windows you just go FASTBOOT devices. And as you can see, it says command not found. So make sure you put ./FASTBOOT devices, and then it's going to work. Okay, well that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Now you're ready to go using FASTBOOT on your Mac and ADB as well. Thanks for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Have a good day.